Hey guys, how's it going? So, as you know, I've been raising chickens now for quite some time. Well, they're over 2 months. And yeah, we've been putting them in our freezer and processing them little by little. And this is the result. Oh yeah. Beautiful chicken dinner. Nutrient dense chicken dinner. And everything in this meal is from either the land I live on here at Littlefoot Fields or from neighboring properties. There's potatoes, carrots, garlic scapes, green onions, um, snap peas, and bone broth, the chicken. The only thing that's not local is the wet rub that I made. That's just, a barbecue sauce kind of deal. But the maple syrup that I use to glaze it is local. So, there you go. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the fruits of my labor. And I'll catch you on the next one.